Okay, so welcome back people. I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so in this video we basically cover advanced scripting techniques. So I basically write some 5 to 6 code. Okay, let's start with the first one. That will be the advanced data manipulation. Okay, so the first thing I write is that string manipulation. Let's say there is one string called string1, and then you specify that string hello. Okay, so there is second string called word. Okay, word. So then you specify one more variable that is called result. Then you concatenate it. So that will be dollar and string one, and then string two. When you concatenate it, after that, if you do echo, then result. So basically it will print hello world. Okay, so this will be the concatenating string. So next thing, which will be the substring extraction. Okay, let's say there is one text is equal to, this is some simple text. Okay, so now what I do, I use substring is equal to, and then I specify dollar, and then text, that will be the content which is stored in the variable called text. Then I specify I need 5 to 9, not everything. Okay, after that, if I do echo and sub string, so you can see that only from 5, from here to 9, so it has printed. So this is how you can use substring. Okay, so let's move to the next thing, that will be using array. So if you need to create array, you can create like fruits is equal to, then in the brackets you can specify apple, and then space, and then banana. Okay, then space, and then cherry. So this is how you can specify the array. So this is how okay, this is how we can specify the array. But if you need to print everything, we need to specify at. So this will basically print everything, I guess. Okay, so this is how we specify array. Okay, so now I need to print everything from the array. So I use fruit in what dollar, and then fruits, and then I'm specifying cut, and then I'm doing some operations that will be echo in the double quotes, I like fruit, and then you specify done. So this will basically print one by one from the fruit array. Okay, the next thing is that string optimization. So let's think that you create one file, sorry, one function. You created a one function. Okay, then you do echo hello, and then you print is or her name. Okay, is or her name. Now let's say you have 1,000 names like that. So let's say that you have 1,000 names. So you don't need to write 1,000 file names. Okay, you can specify only the one function, one function name. Then you can use that function recursively to call that function. Okay, you can use that function to call recursively without creating like hundreds or 1,000 functions. You can just create one function and you can call it recursively. Okay, the next one is that optimizing loops. So if you need to optimize loop, sum is equal to 0, then specify for I is equal to 1, and then I is less than or equal to 100, and then I plus plus, then I need to close the I, then do. Okay, so now I need to specify sum plus or is equal to I, then I say done, and I echo sum is to sum. So this will basically print the sum of 1 to 100. So you can see 1 to 100, that will be 5050. So this is one example of optimizing loop. Okay, the next thing is that using AWK for text processing. Okay, this will be some kind of what? So this will be F, that is what, field separator, and then you are specifying what is the field separator. Okay, then you are printing it. So print the second column, and I need to specify a file name, but I don't have a CSV file, so I'll just show you the syntax. So this will be the field separator. I'm just saying there is a field separator called comma, and then you need to print the second column of that particular what row. You need to print the second column of that particular file from this particular file. This will basically print the particular file. Okay, let's say you need to extract a specific field from a sorry for that. Okay, now let's say that you need to extract a specific field from a JSON file. So we can use JQ, and then you can specify user name here, and then you can specify user.json. So this will basically specify some particular fields called user and name. That field detail basically output. Okay, the next thing is that using external libraries. So if you need to use the third-party libraries, let's say there is one library called response. Okay, so that will basically what, curl -s and then https / and then API dot example comma and data. So this will be the what, API. Okay, so it is showing wrong because this what URL does not exist. I just specified, and then you are using external library. Okay, response, then you are specifying that variable name, that would be RESPONSE. So this will basically what, use the third party particular website, and then it will what, output, but this website does not exist, so I can't show you the output. And I guess we finished the what video of how do you actually what, this is actually the advanced script technique. It is actually the basic advanced script technique which you need to know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.